For many spot and broadcast applications, surfactants can be added to enhance the effectiveness of your pesticide or fertilizer product. Nanotek Surfactant will greatly improve any application by breaking the surface tension of your solution so your treatment sticks to and covers more surface area. To use Nanotek Surfactant, you will need to mix this product with a pesticide or fertilizer in a handheld pump sprayer, backpack sprayer, hose end sprayer, or spray rig. Before mixing Nanotek Surfactant into your solution, read your pesticide or fertilizer's label directions regarding surfactant or additive usage and additional directions. If your pesticide or fertilizer's directions conflict with Nanotek's, follow the most restrictive label. Determine how much Nanotek Surfactant to use by referring to the label's directions. For spot applications, you can add 1 fluid ounce of Nanotek per 1 gallon of spray solution. For broadcast applications, you can add 8 fluid ounces per 100 gallons of spray solution. Mix your pesticide or fertilizer according to its label directions. Fill your sprayer with water until it reaches about 90% capacity, then add the proper amount of Nanotek Surfactant. Agitate the solution and then fill your sprayer to 100% capacity to create your completed solution. When you spray, the Nanotek Surfactant will work to increase the surface area your application treats and ensures the solution sticks to treated areas. Use Nanotek Surfactant with pesticides or fertilizers intended for dry land applications. Depending on the pesticide or fertilizer, solutions can be applied to plants and turf to completely coat foliage, or they can be applied to man-made structures. Apply Nanotek Surfactant when you want to increase the rate of control of your selected pesticide or fertilizer. This product will create more efficient chemical use and much less waste. With more surface area treated, your pesticide or fertilizer will become more effective. Nanotek Surfactant is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling this product. Keep children and pets away from treated areas until the product has dried. Nanotek Surfactant does not contain any active ingredients that will control pests or provide nutrients to plants or turf. You must mix this product with a pesticide or fertilizer to get any use from it. Nanotek Surfactant is a premium additive that greatly enhances the effectiveness of pesticides and fertilizers. Depending on the products you're using, Nanotek will help you control infestations or provide nutrients to your lawn.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.